Numbers 21. Make sure to like, share, comment, follow. The Canaanite king of Arad, who was dwelling in the Negev, heard that Israel came along the way of Ephraim. He fought against Israel and took some of them captive. Israel made a vow to Yahweh, and they said, "If you will surely give this people into our hand, then we will destroy their cities." Yahweh heard the voice of Israel. He gave to them the Canaanites, and they destroyed them and their cities, and they called the name of the place Hormah. They set out from Mount Hor by the way of the Red Sea to go around the land of Edom. But the people became impatient along the way. The people spoke against God and against Moses. "Why have you brought us from Egypt to die in the desert? There's no food and no water, and our hearts detest this miserable food." And Yahweh sent among the people poisonous snakes. They bit the people, and many people from Israel died. The people came to Moses and said, "We have sinned because we have spoken against Yahweh and against you. Pray to Yahweh and let him remove the snakes from among us." So Moses prayed for the people. And Yahweh said to Moses, "Make for yourself a snake and place it on a pole. When anyone is bitten and looks at it, that person will live." So Moses made a snake of bronze, and he placed it on the pole. Whenever a snake bit someone, and that person looked at the snake of the bronze, he lived. The Israelites set out and encamped in Oboth. They set out from Oboth and encamped at Abram in the desert, which was in front of Moab towards the sunrise. From there they set out and encamped at the valley of Zered. From there they set out and encamped beyond Arnon, which is in the desert. That goes out from the boundary of the Amorites, because Arnon is the boundary of Moab, between Moab and the Amorites. Therefore, thus it is said in the scroll of the wars of Yahweh, Waheb and in Suphah, and the waters of Arnon, and the slope of the waters, the spread that spreads out to the dwelling of Ar, and lies at the boundary of Moab. From there they went to Beer, which is the water well where Yahweh spoke to Moses, "Gather the people that I may give them water." Then Israel sang this song, "Arise, well water, sing to it. Well water that the princes dug, that the leaders of the people dug with a staff and with their rods, and from the desert they continued to Matnah, and from